Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with a new ColourPop collection, and this is such a cute collection. It is the Y2K 4EVER collection. The little card says, "Let's get digital." It is so adorable. It says, "A whole new millennium with our new Y2K collection. Pastels and metallics." That's hot. I love Y2K like aesthetic. I mean, I was like 5, 6 in like the early 2000s, but I still live for it. I love it. So we'll be doing the usual. I'll be doing some close-ups, swatches, a tutorial, and then giving you guys my review on the collection. So this collection is launching on August 12th at 10 a.m. PST. As always, you guys can use my code. It is just Katrina. It'll save you 10% off the ColourPop website. So let me just go ahead and get into it. This is kind of like a bigger, it's not like super big, but there's like a lot of products I feel like. So let me start off first. I'm just going to say that there are butterfly clips in this collection. I have them on right now. They're super cute. They're actually like pretty decent size. They're not like super small, which I actually really like because I have some that I bought from like Amazon, and they're like the like normal size, but I feel like they get lost in my hair, and these ones like I feel like you can actually like see them, and they're like iridescent. They're really cute. So that is the first thing in this collection. First like actual makeup products that we have are 3 5-pan palettes. We have Digital Playground, Just a Glitch, and New Millennium. The packaging on them, boxes of the packaging as well, like they're really cute. It just kind of has like different like Y2K aesthetics all over it. I love it. That we have is Digital Playground. This one is definitely more like on the brighter side. It has like some brighter pinks and peaches, and there are some like metallics in here. There are no pressed glitters in any of the palettes, just in case you guys were wondering. And it is in that same like acrylic snap closed packaging. So that is Digital Playground. Then Just a Glitch is more like periwinkles and like, what is this like called? Like, that's like mint, right? Minty greens colors. And then my personal favorite out of the 3 is New Millennium. This one is very lavender, lilac, pinky tones, pinky purples. I love that. So those are the 3 palettes. I don't have prices of anything, but I'm assuming that they'll be like the normal prices that they always are. So the next thing that we have in the collection are 2 Super Shock highlighters. The unicorn on these, like the boxes, are really cute. They just have like these like little glitter butterflies all over it with like that same Y2K aesthetic. And the actual packaging on them is this like lavender color. One is like a little bit more pinky lavender, and this one's more like lavender, if that makes sense. They are like different when you have them side by side. You can tell the difference in color. It just has like a little holographic butterfly on them. So the first one that we have is still loading, and this one is a lavender highlighter. It's super cute. This is the one that I have on right now. And then we have You Got Mail, which this one is more on the pinky side. It's like a really nice like pink highlighter. I think that would be really pretty on like medium to deeper skin tones. We have in this collection are 3 Super Shock shadows. And that we have is Low Rise, which the name, I love the name. Hate the pants, love the name. This one is like a lavender Super Shock with some like gold glitter all throughout it. Then we have In the Saddle, and this one, the packaging on them are all lavender, by the way. In the Saddle is like a peachy, like a light peachy pink kind of Super Shock. It kind of has like a shift to it, and it has some gold glitter in it. Last one that we have is Cami Crush, and this one is a pinky Super Shock with some like gold green glitter throughout it. It's really pretty. I love the like shift that it has. So those are the 3 Super Shock shadows, and the packaging is kind of the same as the Super Shock highlighters. It's just that lavender packaging with that like little silver butterfly on it. We have one of my favorite products ever. I'm so excited to see this in the collection. We have a little Just a Tint mini duo. So these ones are both like lighter pinks. It says Virtually Obsessed. The card says pretty new shades you'll want to I am your friends about. So that's really cute. We have Chubby, oh, these are, I know Chubby Bunny is an original shade. Then we have Butterfly Kisses. I can't remember if this is a new shade, but it's weird that it says on the card like these are new shades, because Chubby Bunny is for sure not a new shade. I definitely remember that one. But Butterfly Kisses is also in here. I can't remember if that is an existing shade from before or not. That's what I have on right now. If you guys remember, let me know down below. But yeah, these are the 2 shades that are in the little mini duo. We have 3 So Juicy glosses. So I haven't seen So Juicy glosses in a minute in a collection, so I was super excited to see some. But these are the 3 shades that are in the collection. collection. So we have like a just kind of simple pink gloss. It's called I Am Me, which is super cute. But yeah, there's no glitter, I don't think, in this one. It's just kind of like a sheer, juicy pink gloss. And then we have Velour Baby, and this one is like a light pinky peach gloss with pink and silver glitter all throughout it. And then lastly we have Bonus Track, which is a lavender with like blue and purple and pink, I think, glitter all throughout it, which is super pretty. I have this one on top of the Just a Tint on my lips. So those are the 3 So Juicy glosses in here. And then last but not least, we do have some face jewels in this collection. There are some just like regular gems. They're just kind of like different sizes. And then we have some that are like hearts and stars and the regular like circle gem shapes. Everything in this collection, link everything and all the info and all that good stuff down below for you guys. This is the look that I came up with today using the collection. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the collection, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with the palettes, and between the 3, I'm really leaning in between New Millennium and Just a Glitch. I just really like the colors in both of these. I like the other one too. I just feel like that one's like a little bit brighter than like what I want to do today. So I think I'm gonna do this one, and I might add like a little bit of this one, but you guys know I love these colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start off with MP3, which is this like lighter lavender shade, and I'm gonna just start stamping this into the crease. I can't tell if it's like coming up on camera, but like in person, for being this light of a lavender, it's actually pretty pigmented. Using that like as my first transition shade. So once I have that down in the crease and the outer corner, I kind of just have this everywhere. I'm going to take a little bit of TRL. Oh my god, the names in here are so cute. This one's a little bit more of like a pinky lilac. I'm going to just add that into the crease as well. And for the outer corner, in this shade right here, it's like a grape kind of purple. I'm going to add a little bit of this to the outer corner, but I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to make it too dark. I want to keep it pretty pastel. I was going to take one of the shimmers in here, but I want to take one of the Super Shock, which is called Low Rise. I hate the style of jeans, but I love the name, and it's just like a really pretty lavender with some sparkle in it. So I'm going to put this on my lid, and I'm just going to tap it. I don't want to do like too much pigment. I kind of just want more like the sparkle. And I'm kind of just putting that all the way up. And then I am going to go back with a little bit of TRL, which was the like pinky shade, putting that a little bit more into the crease. Like I said, I want to keep this look pretty light and simple. Just do my foundation and stuff really quick, and then we'll come back and use the highlighters, which I'm really excited for because there's like a lavender one in here, and I just live for lavender stuff. So I'll be right back. I just did my base really quick. So we're gonna go ahead and just try one of these highlighters. These are the Super Shock highlighters, which are my faves, and I love the packaging on this. I'm gonna use Still Loading because it's lavender and it's me. So I'm just gonna use a brush. You can use your fingers. I just use a brush usually like this, and I just take some. You guys know I don't really like using highlighter too much anymore, but we're using it for this video. So this is actually really pretty. It's not like overly lavender either. I feel like it's still pretty wearable. But it still gives like that lavender hint, which matches like the eyeshadow. Definitely make it more intense. I'm trying not to do that, but it is super pretty. I love this color. So that is the highlighter. To the lower lash line really quick. I'm gonna go back into the New Millennium palette, and I'm gonna take I'm gonna mix MP3 and TRL and just put that about halfway. So I'm just going back and forth between both shades, and I'm going to take that on the outer half. The inner part of the lower lash line, I am going to go in with Chat Room from the Just a Glitch palette because I really want to take this shade and put that just on the inner part of the lower lash line. I really love green and purple together, so I really wanted to use these two shades. For the inner corner, I'm going to take Dial Up, which is the lightest shade in this palette. It's kind of like a white with like a blue, green iridescent to it. Also gonna bring that a little bit into this inner corner up here. Like that. It's super cute and it's super simple. We wanted to add a little bit of that minty color in there. So let me put on some mascara and my lashes really quick, and then we'll finish off with the lip products. So I was going to put on lashes, but I just felt like mascara was the way to go for this look. I just felt like it looked better. I didn't want to like do anything super crazy. Also, it's like very Y2K. I feel like lashes weren't like that big of a thing in like the early 2000s. I have some of these crystal like little jewels that I could put on my face. I don't know if I'm gonna use them yet, but I'm gonna use one of the Just a Tints. I love these. If you guys have been following me forever, you guys know these are like literally my favorite things ever. I'm gonna take the shade Butterfly Kisses. This one is like the darker one. It's not dark, but like the darker one of the two. And I'm just gonna put that on. I love these so much. I still use them like till this day. This is no brainer like every day. I love it. Put one of these So Juicy glosses on top. Let's see. There is like a lavender one. This one that I kind of want to use. The label is kind of messed up. This one is, what is the name of this one? Bonus Track. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. These are usually pretty sheer, so I just want like a little bit of like that glitter. And that is pretty much it. I think I'm going to take some of these little crystals and put some on. There's like little heart and stars and just like regular ones. And then these ones are just like regular little gems. Oh, they're not sticky. I thought they were. So you do have to like glue these on. I don't have time to do that today, but if you guys want to, there are little crystals in this collection. It's so time consuming, and I'm just literally gonna wash this off right after. So yeah, but gems are always super cute. It's just very time consuming. So, and then there's also little butterfly clips in this collection, which I've had on this entire time. They're super cute. They're not like small. They're not like super small either. So they actually look like really noticeable in the hair, which I like because sometimes they kind of get lost in my hair. Like the ones that I have are a little too small. So these ones are like really nice. They're like massive, but they look super cute in the hair. So let me dust off this powder and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on this collection. So this is the finished look. I honestly love how this look turned out. I feel super cute. I feel like a little like mermaid or something. I don't know. I really like the colors of the palettes that I use. Like the lavender one is right up my alley. I love the like greens, and the other one I still like the one that I didn't use, the Digital Playground. You guys know I like these brighter pinks and stuff. I just feel like this doesn't scream like Y2K to me. Like colors like this, like pastels, like frosty colors, frosty blues, like lilacs, things like that, that screams Y2K to me. This one, not so much, but I still do like the colors in that one. I like the two palettes that I use the most. I think they're super pretty. They performed really well. And I just like these colors a lot. I know I feel like I always do like a purple and a green look somehow. Like I always have to incorporate those colors. But I really like them. The Super Shock highlighter I really liked as well. It was super wearable, but it still gives like that hint of lilac, so it matches like the eyes, but it's not like overbearing, like not super purple, and like I just feel like it really looks nice. Just a Tints, I love those. I'm so happy to see them in this collection. I want more. I know we got like so many at one point, but I'm like, give me more because I really love the Just a Tints. The Super Shock shadows were really pretty. I like the one that I used on my eyes. I always love seeing Super Shock shadows in the collections. I just feel like they just get overlooked sometimes, and I'm just like, give me all the Super Shock shadows. They are so pretty, and I'm just like, I can never have enough, and it's just like a ColourPop staple product, you know? So I love seeing them in the collections. The packaging is really cute on everything. Like the little hair clips, that was like such a cute little touch, and they're really nice. They don't feel like flimsy or like they're gonna break really easily. They actually feel pretty nice. I like the size of them. I like that they included some like little gems in here as well. And the So Juicy glosses, they are really pretty. I like the lavender one, or like the purpley one that I use, because it has like that little glitter that kind of reminds me of like the early 2000s. Yeah, overall, I mean, it's a super cute collection. The only thing I wish is that like this collection maybe came out like a couple months ago. I feel like we're getting into fall now, and I want like fall products. So it's kind of like the timing was a little weird, but like I like pastels and like these colors, so like I'm not too mad at it. But I do wish this came out in like maybe like April or May. But I know like the Y2K thing is like super popular right now, especially on TikTok. So I get it, but I also just feel like these colors, this collection would have like done pretty well maybe like in April or May. But I think they also, if I remember correctly, I feel like I can't even remember, like my sense of time anymore is like it's gone. Like, pretty sure they did like pastels a couple months ago, so I guess maybe it would have been like pastel overload, but I still feel like this, maybe like if it came out like a couple months ago, would have been like perfect timing. But yeah, like right now it kind of just feels out of place because I want like fall things already. Like we're in August. When I think of August, I think pumpkins, like thing. I'm already like in Halloween mode, so that's what I'm thinking. Like that's my mindset right now. But I know that a lot of people were like super excited for this collection. The packaging is really cute. Like I feel like they killed it on the packaging. The names and everything are really good. I just feel like I wish it would have came out like maybe like a couple months ago. I think it is a really cute collection. If you like pastels, I definitely would say pick this collection up. They're actually really nice. They like perform really well. They're like vibrant but still like pastel at the same time. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you guys gonna pick any of this up? Do you guys also feel like the timing of this collection is a little off? My only complaint really about the collection, but yeah, I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments, so let me know down below. I will link everything and all the info and everything in the description box for you guys. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you guys did like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.